Welcome to Star Chat, the premier podcast for all things space and astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. As we explore the vast expanse of space, we'll be discussing the latest news, discoveries, and advancements in the field. Tonight, we're going to talk about a company that's been making waves in the space industry, Rocket Lab. This innovative firm has been pushing the boundaries of space technology, and their recent achievements are nothing short of remarkable. From launching satellites into orbit to developing new rockets, Rocket Lab is at the forefront of the space revolution. Let's dive right in and explore some of the exciting developments coming out of Rocket Lab. Just recently, the company successfully launched its 70th mission into space, solidifying its position as one of the leading launch companies globally. This milestone is a testament to the team's hard work and dedication to providing reliable and efficient launch services. But that's not all. Rocket Lab is also working on a new rocket called Neutron, which promises to be a game-changer in the industry. With its reusable medium lift capability, Neutron is set to take the company to new heights and provide even more opportunities for satellite launches and other space-related activities. We'll also be discussing the recent analysis from Needham, which has reiterated its buy rating on Rocket Lab with a 55 price target. This is a significant endorsement of the company's potential and a vote of confidence in its ability to capture additional market share as it expands into the medium lift segment. And if that's not enough, Rocket Lab has also been making headlines with its upcoming mission for NASA, which involves launching a hypersonic accelerator suborbital test electron HASTE rocket later this month. This is just another example of the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of space technology and exploring new frontiers. As we continue to explore the vast expanse of space, it's companies like Rocket Lab that are leading the charge and paving the way for future discoveries. With their innovative approach, cutting-edge technology, and dedication to excellence, Rocket Lab is an exciting company to watch in the years to come. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we find ourselves at the edge of the Milky Way, approximately 15,000 light-years from Earth. It's here that astronomers have made a fascinating discovery, one that sheds new light on how giant stars take shape and evolve. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have spotted a massive star, about 8 times larger than our Sun, with an enormous jet of gas shooting out from its poles. This phenomenon is known as a protostellar jet, and it's not uncommon in smaller stars. However, observing such a large jet coming from an enormous star is rare, and it suggests that the scale of the jet correlates with the size of the developing star. The star, designated S284P1, is situated in a region of the galaxy brimming with dense gas clouds and clusters of young stars. But what's intriguing about this environment is that it contains few elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. Many scientists had predicted that giant stars developing in this environment would form in a sloppy manner, as heavier elements help gas cool and clump together. However, the new observations suggest that these stars can grow in calm and orderly ways, even in harsh conditions. The jets shooting out from S284P1 are surprisingly symmetrical and well-ordered, indicating that the star is forming in a smooth and efficient process. This discovery provides new insight into how giant stars take shape and how similar processes may have worked in the early universe. As we ponder the implications of this finding, we're reminded of the complex interplay between gas, dust, and magnetic fields that shapes the formation of stars. The fact that S284P1 is able to form in a calm and orderly manner, despite the lack of heavier elements, challenges our current understanding of star formation. The study's lead author, Yu Cheng, notes that this massive star can be used as a laboratory to study what was going on in earlier cosmic history. By examining the properties of S284P1 and its jets, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of how the first stars formed in the universe and how they influenced the evolution of galaxies. As we continue to explore the wonders of the cosmos, we're reminded that there's still so much to learn about the formation and evolution of stars. The discovery of S284P1 is a fascinating example of how new observations can challenge our current understanding and open up new avenues for research. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on StarChat. Welcome back to StarChat. We've had an amazing conversation so far, and I'm excited to share with you our final segment for today. As we've been exploring the wonders of space and astronomy, I wanted to take a moment to appreciate the incredible history behind space exploration. You know, it's easy to get caught up in the latest advancements and discoveries, but sometimes it's nice to take a step back and look at where we came from. I recently came across an interview with Andy Saunders, a renowned expert in restoring and enhancing historical space photos. He's been working tirelessly to bring new life to old images from the Mercury and Gemini programs, and the results are simply stunning. By stacking hundreds of frames from low-quality 6mm film, Saunders has managed to reveal incredible details that were previously hidden. One particular image that caught my eye was of John Glenn during his re-entry on February 20, 1962. After being informed that his heat shield may have come loose, Glenn is seen holding steadfast in the face of uncertainty, observing the retro-pack burn-up outside his window with an orange glow. The level of detail in this image is breathtaking. You can almost see the pores on Glenn's skin. It's a powerful portrait of courage and a testament to the bravery of these early astronauts. Saunders' work has also highlighted the human side of space exploration, revealing the emotional depth and risk that these pioneers took upon themselves. As he delved deeper into the transcripts and conversations between the astronauts and mission control, he found himself holding his breath and feeling the tension of the moment. As we look to the future of space exploration, it's essential to remember our past and the incredible achievements of those who came before us. With millions of photos from the space shuttle era waiting to be explored, Saunders' work is far from over. Perhaps one day he'll tackle the Apollo-Soyuz, Skylab, and early shuttle programs, giving us a new appreciation for the history of space travel. That's all for today's StarChat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.